Hi, I'm Dr. Patty Sadallah, the leader of the Spirit Life Workshops ministry. I asked Jesus what message he wanted to send to those for whom he's calling to attend the Equipping Kingdom Leaders Spirit Life Workshop. And this is what he said: I am the way, the truth, and the life, which of course comes from John 14:6a. He said, if I'm calling you to attend the Equipping Kingdom Leaders Spirit Life Workshop, you will know because you'll have an unction in your heart to go, a heart's desire, a sort of knowing that grows in clarity as you check in with me about it. I am the way. I am always going to equip what I call. So if I say go, I will provide the way, including your finances, your time off, the right accommodations, transportation if necessary. So trust me if you feel me calling you that I will take care of all of those things. I am the truth. The truth plus my power is what sets you free. I need you to trust me that if I'm calling you to go to this workshop, there are key things that you need in order to step into the next season that I have for you. This will align you with the truth about who I am and who you are, so that you are fully able to accomplish what I have for you. Trust me as I trust you for what I have for you there. I am the life. Your life is not your own. I have created you for this time and for this season to activate your part of my kingdom plan. True satisfaction can only come from obedience in me. True fruit bearing is the outcomes of how you spread my love to others so that they may grow and spread my love to others as well. It's a multiplying kingdom principle. If I'm calling you to attend, you will enjoy an upgraded level of anointing that will empower not just yourself, but others to draw close to me and to find their destined paths as you are in greater alignment with yours. I am looking for those I can trust with greater levels of anointing. If you feel a tugging at your heart to go take that step of faith, trust me and say yes to that assignment, and then watch how I provide and direct the rest. He said, ask me this question: Lord, am I ready for this? Are you calling me for such a time as this? And if he says yes, you say yes. Watch him do his part so you can do your part. We only have 5 days left on our early bird rates for the Equipping Kingdom Leaders Spirit Life Workshop, which will be held May 20th to the 22nd, 2025 in Dallas, Texas. Monday, March 31st is the last day that you can receive the 10% off on a single registration and 20% off on a team registration. This is $30 less than it will be the next day, beginning April 1st. Rates go up to $289 for an individual and $259 for a team registration. So that's 10% off. It's not my job to convince you to come to this workshop. It is God's job to draw the people he wants there. And only the people that he is calling are the people that he wants there. If you have questions about how to know that, or our team rate, or the workshop, or anything else, how can you know for sure? Those kind of questions. If you have questions about anything related to the team rate, the workshop, anything else, contact me, Patty Sadallah, at patty@spiritlifeworkshops.com. And you can register at spiritlifeworkshops.com/upcoming-workshop. We hope to see you there.